Kelford Cams, precision is everything, especially when it comes to camshaft timing. Our CNC machine cam gears are crafted from high-quality 6061 T6 aluminium under high-performance conditions. Each gear is machined in small batch runs, using advanced CNC technology and strict quality control protocols, ensuring we consistently exceed OEM tolerances. The design includes beveled tooth edges, which help to extend timing belt life, while the hard anodized finish offers exceptional wear resistance and long-term durability. Our cam gears feature laser etched degree markings, allowing for precise and repeatable tuning adjustments, essential for serious engine builders and tuners who want full control over their cam timing. We also use durable, high-quality fasteners and incorporate a heli-coil thread insert in the ring gear, allowing for confident torque application and multiple adjustments without compromising thread integrity. These are not generic off-the-shelf cam gears. They're engineered with intent, tested in real-world builds, and trusted across performance applications worldwide. We offer cam gears to suit popular platforms including Toyota, Mitsubishi, Nissan, and the mighty Ford Barra. If you're looking to unlock precise cam control and long-term reliability, this is the cam gear to do it. Kelford Cams, precision engineered, performance proven.